went through the ceiling. You got me shaking it, I don't know why. What a funny kind of feeling. Trying to fight it, then we collide, and I kinda like it, I never knew. Guess what I'm saying is, there's no explaining it.
Ikaw na dyan na ito. Hala! Oh my God. Doon ako. Yeah!
You're so slimmer.
Ah, slimmer na?
Knock me off balance, stumble to you. Is this how it happens? What you do to me? I thought this was only make-believe. You went in and messed up my gravity, threw off reality. Now I'm so restless. I was afraid.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
You slowly walking? Slowly walking.
Slowly walking. And then it's maalon. And it's maalon.
It's maalon.
It's mainit.
It's mainit. So we go. At
Lahat ka dyan.
ikaw na, take over.
No! Take over.
Don't know where to shut down. Sometimes I wish
Video. Ay, video na. It's so balot.
And it's so kalot. And it's so salt nga.
Reset. Hindi kami maka-enjoy ganun-ganun.
I feel it all around. I know you're seeing it too. I wanna know if these words are enough. Sometimes you gotta give it up. Sometimes you gotta not be rough. 'Cause I need to know when I'm down and in trouble. Jump in the water. Jump in the water so sometimes you gotta give things up. Sometimes you better not let go. 'Cause I need to know when I'm down and in trouble. Jump in the water. Jump in the water so
Video yan.
Mamaya na lang?
Ay, mamaya
Bibidyo
na?
na?
O sige, ito. Baka.
Off ko muna.
explore paradise. Just follow my movement, the way that we do this. Whoa, oh, oh, coloring lines up my soul. Oh, oh, giving me somewhere to go with you. Out of this place, and we break the rules just so let's see.
Yung
Day. But the sky is so
so cloudy.
cloudy, gloomy, and greeny. Oh, grayish. Grayish.
Good. Hi! Welcome to my vlog. Ay.
Ay?
Ay.
Ay?
Bye, Parang.
Para. Record na yan. Automatic. Go guys. Go guys. Para sa grab. Te.
Yeah, yeah.
Ay.
Parang nag-wait na something.
Kasi yung dito na banda, ilalagyan ng mga tables, ng mga upuan, tapos dinner.
Couple of times turned to every night there was only us. Till you shot me down when I wasn't around, you were messing up.